back to Love Sundays. Today it's time to get back in the water. And by back in the water I mean we're going to go surfing. You may have realised in the last video that there were problems with the drone. It was kind of like going all around like this. So I'm just going to repair one of the propellers. It's been about a year since I last actually went surfing, so probably going to be a little bit rusty, and I think parking might be a bit of an issue as well. I'm sure we can find something somewhere and find somewhere to park as well, which is the main thing. So, and it's all done, fixed, ideal. So I don't know whether any of that GoPro footage has come out, but it wasn't a very big day. I didn't really push myself either. I didn't go out too far because with what's going on, there's no lifeguards or anything at the moment. So just to stay safe, I didn't overdo it. Let's just put it that way. So here's another thing as well. I got out there and memory full. So the problem is, got out there, started videoing, and then it pretty much died after about 5 minutes. So probably not going to be a lot of footage. So by the looks of it, another not busy day. Watergate Bay is pretty empty. Literally just got out of the water. Just heading back down now to get some nice scenic shots. One of the main things I like about Watergate Bay is out of season, it's really quiet. It's going to be funny this year actually, because we're going to have a hot summer but no tourism, so there's not going to be, the beaches are going to be empty. It's going to be weird. 3 reasons why Watergate Bay is one of my favourite beaches. Number 1, parking isn't too difficult. Number 2, there's plenty of places to stay. And number 3, there's places to eat. We've got the beach hut, which is just on the beach here. And we did have 15 Jamie Oliver's place, but that's closed now. Well, they're both closed now because of the coronavirus, but 15's closed indefinitely. I was chatting to this guy up in the car park, and he said that yesterday, around about midday, the car park was packed. It's like a completely different beach today. It's like no one here whatsoever. I think it's about time I got a bigger bag. I've had to strap the drone to the outside of the bag, got my flip-flops hanging. I've had to fit water in there as well, plus all the camera stuff. Respect the water. If you're wondering why I shaved the beard off, every now and then I do because it's good for your skin, and also you get, you know, if you're going to be out in the sun and then you want to shave it a week later, last thing you want is like a sort of lighter patch where you've got no sun, almost like you're wearing a face mask. But you know, in this current climate, wearing a face mask is absolutely normal, so no one's going to judge. Hopefully you liked this video today. If you did, subscribe, share it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.